Hello student, welcome here to integral classes. Today we are going to start question number 11 of exercise 2.2. So student, now tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. So student, as we know that value of sin inverse 1 by 2 equal to what? It is the pi by 6. Okay, so tan inverse 2 cos 2, we will replace here sin inverse 1 by 2 by pi by 6. Then in next step tan inverse 2 cos, it will be cancelled 3 times cos pi by 3. Now tan inverse cos pi by 3 what? Cos pi by 3 means cos 60 and cos 60 value which is sin 30. So sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Here we will replace here 1 by 2. 2 is cancelled. Now we will get tan inverse 1, and we know that tan inverse 1 is 8 pi by 4. So answer is, we will get here pi by 4. Question number 12, cot tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. As we know that student, we know here tan inverse A or cot inverse. We will change here cot inverse into tan inverse. So we will write here cot inverse A equal to tan inverse 1 upon A. Means we will use here property and we can change cot inverse A into tan inverse 1 upon A. Now we have to write here cot and tan inverse plus tan inverse 1 upon A. We will change cot inverse A by tan inverse 1 upon A. Now apply here the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to what? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This formula we have to use here. So cot is as it is, then tan inverse x is here A plus 1 by A upon 1 minus A into 1 upon A. Now then cot tan inverse. Now we will take LCM of here, then A square plus 1 upon A, and it will become A is cancelled, 1 minus 1 0. It will become 0. Now cot tan inverse. Now something upon 0, something upon 1 by 0 equal to what? It goes to infinite. Okay. Now we know that the value of tan inverse infinite, it will become cot pi by 2. Tan 0 equal to 0 and tan pi by 2, 8 pi by 2, then we will get infinite. Now cot pi by 2 what? Cot pi by 2 gives the value is 0. So answer is 0. Question number 13. Tan inverse 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. So student, we know that this property sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x, and second property cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square equal to 2 tan inverse y. Now student, we will use here these two trigonometric property. We will replace here then 10 1 by 2 2 10 inverse x plus 2 10 inverse y. Now 2 is we will take outside and cancel it from 1 by 2, then we will get 10 inverse x plus 10 inverse y. Now student, which property? This property also we have learned, so we will apply here 10 inverse 10 x plus y upon 1 minus xy. 10 inverse and 10 cancel to each other, then we will get directly only here x plus y upon 1 minus xy, where this condition is given xy multiple of xy always less than to 1. It is the answer of question number 13. Question number 14, we have given sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1. Now we will find the value of x. So firstly we will transport sin to other side. So it will become sin inverse 1, and what is the value of sin inverse 1? It will be pi by 2. Now student, if we transport cos inverse x by 2 to other side, then it will become a one of them property which I have learned. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus sin inverse cos inverse x, it will become sin inverse x. So we will put here sin inverse cancel to each other, then we will get x is equals to 1 by 5. Question number 15, if tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2, it is the pi by 4, then find the value of x. So we will find here in this question value of x. So student, as we observe here, if it is a capital X and capital Y, so it will become the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This formula again we will use here. Okay, so x is what? It is the capital X and it is a capital Y. Now we will put the value in this formula. Then we will get tan inverse x is here x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus y is x plus 1 x plus 2 upon 1 minus xy. 1 minus x is this x minus 1 x minus 2 and y is this x plus 1 x plus 2 here. Now then other side is pi by 4. When 10 goes to other side, it will become 10 pi by 4 and value of 10 pi by 4 equal to 1. So now we will write here x minus 1 x minus 2 plus x plus 1 x plus 2 upon 1 minus x minus 1 x minus 2 x plus 1 x plus 2 equal to 1. Now student, we will take here LCM of numerator and denominator separately. Then it will become here x minus 2 x plus 2. Then we will get here x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. It is very easy step. Then x plus 1 is multiplied by what? X plus 1 is multiplied by x minus 2 upon. Again we will take LCM. So it will become here a minus b a plus b. It is the formula a square minus b square. So x square minus 4 square minus x square minus 1 square upon x minus 2 and x plus 2. Now these are cancelled to each other and we will get here, we will multiply these two brackets. x square 2x minus x plus x minus 2, and here x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 upon x square minus 4 minus x square, it will be become positive. Okay, now here is, this is cancel and equal to 1 is also here. Okay, then and x square 2x square minus 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Then we will doing here cross multiplication and get 2x square minus 4 minus 3 minus 4 goes to other side, it will be become positive 1. Then x square equal to 1 by 2. So we will get x equal to plus minus 1 upon root 2. Question number 60, sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. Now student, we know that the principal value of sine is what? It will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this angle is not exist this interval. So first of all we will change here this angle. So how can we will change? Sine inverse sine, we can change here pi minus pi by 3. Okay, pi minus pi by 3, we can write here 2 pi by 3. Now here sin pi minus pi by 3 what? It is a second quadrant. It is a second quadrant lie, and sin is here positive, and then we will get sin inverse sin pi by 3. Now sin and sin inverse are cancelled to each other. Pi by 3 which belongs to the interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. It is the solution of this answer. So student, I hope so you understood that how we will change this interval, because 2 pi by 3 is not lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Similarly, this question is also question number 16. Again here we know that the principal value of tan is what? Principal of value is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 here. So principal value of tan is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So student, again we will change here this angle of come to this range. So how can we will change? Tan inverse tan pi minus pi by 4, we should write here. Now pi minus pi by 4, it means it will be become 3 pi by 4. Okay, now pi minus pi by 4 what? It will be like which quadrant? Now if we draw a quadrant, then it is a second quadrant. In a second quadrant tan is negative, and so it will be become tan minus pi by 4. Okay, now here tan is cancelled to tan inverse, so answer is we will get minus pi by 4. Question number 18, tan sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. So student, as we observe here, outside of a bracket is tan. Here is sin inverse and here is cot inverse. So student, first we will change these two in a tan. So how can we will change? Let's see. First we will let here sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to theta. Then it will be become that 3 by 5 equal to sin theta. Now we will draw a right angle triangle. Then it will be a theta. Suppose it is the angle theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem use, we will find out its base also. So therefore tan theta equal to what? 3 by 4 perpendicular upon base. So here is theta equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Similarly, we will change here this. Again, let cot inverse 3 by 2 equal to 5. Suppose then 3 by 2 is equals to cot 5. Now again we will draw a right angle triangle. It is a phi. It is a, what will be become base 3 upon 2, base upon perpendicular. Now we will find out the value of this. Then 3 3 is a 9 plus 4 13, root 13. It will be become here root 13. Now what is the value of tan? We know that tan is the inverse of cot. So we have to use here directly 2 by 3 equal to tan phi. So 2 by 3 tan inverse equal to phi. Now we will change here these two by these we will get. So tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Now here student we will again use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to x plus y upon 1 minus xy. But student firstly we will change that. Here if we will multiply here we will get here xy less than always 1. So x is 3 by 4 into y is 2 by 3. 3 is cancelled. So 1 by 2 we will get, and 1 by 2 is always less than to 1. So this follow this property. We can apply here this property now. So let's see tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 upon 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. We will get here. Then tan and tan inverse cancel to each other. Then we will get here LCM 12. 3 3 is a 9 plus 4 2 is a 8 upon 4 3 is a 12 minus 6 upon 12. 12 is cancelled. So now we will get 17 upon 6 is the answer of this question. Question number 19, cos inverse cos 7 5 by 6. So student, we will write here. We know that firstly we know that the principal value of cos is 0 to pi. It means 7 pi by 6 is not lying in this principal value in this interval. So firstly we will change here that angle will be lie in a principal value which is we have given here. So we can write here cos 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6 here. Okay, because we know that cos is a positive in a fourth quadrant. In a fourth quadrant cos is a positive. So we will consider here 2 pi minus this. Okay, now 5 then cos inverse cos 2 pi minus 5 by 6. It means cos, we will use here cos 2 pi minus theta. It will be become cos theta. So we will write here cos 5 pi by 6. Now cos and cos inverse cancel to each other. So answer is 5 pi by 6. It is the answer of 19 question. So option B is correct here. In question number 20, we know that sine inverse minus 1 by 2 equal to minus sine inverse 1 by 2. It means we will use here this property sine inverse minus theta is equals to minus sine inverse theta. So sine pi by 3 minus, here we will write here plus sine 1 by 2. Now what is the value of sine 1 by 2 equal to pi upon 6. Then we will get sine, take LCM, then we will solve here 3 2 pi plus 3 pi by 6. It will be cancelled 2 times. Then we will get sine pi by 2, and value of sine pi by 2 equal to 1. So the option is 20. D is correct. This option is D. Question number 21. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. So student, we will use here this property. Cot inverse minus theta equal to pi minus cot inverse theta. So now we will replace here by pi minus cot inverse theta. Theta is what? Root 3. Now open the bracket, then we will get here tan inverse root 3 minus pi plus cot inverse root 3. Now we will combine these two terms like this, tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3 minus pi. Now again property, second property we will use here, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. So now we will replace here by pi by 2 minus pi. Then we will subtract them and get the answer is minus pi by 2. So student, the answer is of option, which option is correct? Option B is correct for 21 question. Now student, this exercise 2.2 is done, and next video we will do miscellaneous exercise. Thank you for watching.